Hey guys, Zoe here. I'm very glad to announce that we have got a new material ready for sublimation, which is 2mm thickness of sublimation glass. You may say that sublimation glass is not a new material. I 100% agree with you, but 2mm is what makes new. And I will share with you more about the reason and how we managed to develop this new material. You know, sublimation aluminum has been in this market for many years. It's so popular for its high color vibrancy and affordable cost. It's widely used on lots of products like tin box, keychains, mirrors, and photo panel, etc. The most important reason for us to develop this material is try to bring higher quality finished products that are using aluminum sheet as an insert. Whether it can be replaced by glass, the glass is printed at the back and the finishing looks nicer. In personal industry, make something better and nicer are always what LOPO is focusing on. Do we understand that personalized gifts is not just a product, but take people's love to each other? Unfortunately, we cannot manage to make it as thin as 1mm. The best we can do is to make it as 2mm. From what we had been testing and understand about the whole industry, we developed two series of new products based on this new material, which is wall photo panel and flash sticker. For wall photo panel, we provide you two sizes, 20 by 13 cm and 13 by 14 cm, which are the most popular sizes in wall decoration industry. For fridge sticker, we have most sellable sizes and shapes available, which is round and square at the size at 6 cm. Okay, let me show you how to sublimate. And the glass photo panel comes with the screws for install on the wall. Please follow the steps for install it while the following videos. Thank you to be here with me today, and great news is all the products is ready for trial order, so please feel free to contact ourselves to try the samples. And last but not the least, as always, LOPO is willing to listen from our customers, so do not hesitate to share your ideas or questions related to this new material. Let's create it together to make our life memorable. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you don't want to miss any sublimation ideas. I will see you next time.